most distant way in the world is not the way from birth to the end. It is when I sit near you that you don't understand I love you. The most distant way in the world is not when I stand in front of you. You're not sure I love you. It is when my love is bewildering the soul, but I can't speak it out. The most distant way in the world is not that I can't say I love you. It is after looking into my heart, I can change my love. The most distant way in the world is not that I'm loving you. It is in our love we are keeping between the distance. The most distant way in the world is not we love each other, but keep the distance across us. It is we know our love is breaking through the way we deny the existence of it. So the most distant way in the world is not in two distant trees. It is the same rooted branches can't enjoy the coexistence. So the most distant way in the world is not in the being separated branches. It is in the blinking stars, they can't burn the light. So the most distant way in the world is not the burning stars. It is after the light, they can't be seen from afar. So the most distant way in the world is not the light that is fading away. It is the coincidence of us, is not supposed for the love. So the most distant way in the world is the love between the fish and bird. One is flying in the sky, the other is looking upon into the sea.